Good afternoon, YouTube. Today we are having a look at the 3-piece adjustable water pump plier set from Bluepoint. Now, I bought these when they were on sale, I believe. I'm not sure how much I paid or how much they are now. I will have a look and try and put them in the description. As I say, you get a set of 3. All of them made in the USA, which was pleasantly surprising. Overall, they're well built. Very grippy, very sharp jaw teeth. That I will say. Very, very hard. I have used these quite a bit. I know it probably looks like I haven't, but I have. There's the name and serial number for the biggest set that you get. The casting is average, I would say. But overall, really good strong centre pin. Don't know if I'm going to be able to. Good thick centre pin. Good even smooth notches for the separate settings. Same on the medium set. There is the label for that one, again USA made. Very nice pliers for the price that they were on sale. I don't know if I would have bought them at regular price because there is a lot of competition for this sort of thing. However, if you do like snap-on Bluepoint stuff, overall good solid sturdy tools. Even the smallest pair here, there's slight flex in the handles but not a lot, to be expected really. So full open. Oh, hang on. Very big jaw really for a small set of pliers. Now the big set, nice wide open in there. You could grip something with it. All in all, not bad quality. I say the downside is there was no sort of plastic casing for them, so you can't really put them in the toolbox other than just laying them out like that. And that really is all there is to say. Would I buy them again? Yes. But again, only if they're on sale. Right, thank you very much. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. More to come soon.